Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Elisetla. Hope everyone are doing well. So today I am going to explain about the cutoffs and scholarships of WIT Triple E. So I'll be discussing about these branches, like what are the branches they provide and what are the cutoffs of each and every branch and what is the scholarship that you are going to get by your rank and everything I'm going to discuss. So guys, if you're watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And let me introduce myself. Myself Sushmita and I'm from NIT Warangal. So guys, let's get started into our video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Come on. So guys, now let's see this WIT Triple E 2021. We all know that results have already declared. If anyone doesn't know how to check the results and everything, here I'm going to explain you. After this, let's go into the cutoffs and everything. So guys, WIT has declared its result on June 12th. So today it has declared the results. So see guys, like to know your result, you need to go to this official website and you need to check, like click on this WIT link WIT. So candidates need to enter their application number and password. So then you need to click the submit button. WIT Triple E shall appear on the screen and download the same and take the printout. It is just saying that you need to download that result paper and you need to print out, guys. By just following these steps, you can take your printout easily. So what are the results and everything we'll see. Candidates who have secured a rank within 1 lakh are eligible to participate in the WIT counselling from June 21 to July 16th. So they have 4 phases. So they are giving this, see, they are giving the ranks and everything. I'm going to tell you clearly, don't get panic. So June 21st to June 16th. So your counselings are going to start from June 21 to July 16th. It is going to end on July 16th. You have 4 phases. So the rank holders who are having 1 to 20,000, you'll be having from June 21 to 22. So for 20,000 plus to 45,000, June 30th to July 1st. Rank from 45,000 to 70,000, July 7th and 8th. So ranks 70,000 to 1 lakh, July 15th and 16th. So guys, these are your dates. Please be ready. You cannot get another chance if you miss this chance. Okay. So candidates who secured more than 1 lakh rank are eligible for admissions in WIT AP. Okay, you can get admission in WIT AP if your rank is more than 1 lakh and WIT Bhopal. Okay, the authorities conducted WIT Triple E 2021 on May 28, 29, 30 and re-exam on June 10th in online mode, right? So as proctored exam, candidates will have to participate in WIT counselling process based on the rank obtained in the examination. So I have told you, right, like for your rank, just check your rank, where are you falling in these ranks, and you can go for the counselling. And please don't miss these dates. So candidates from 31 Indian states and 8 union territories and more than 15 foreign countries have participated. Okay guys, I know that most of you guys were asking me about this too, like how many participated, from where are they participated, and complete count and everything. So here I am telling candidates from 31 Indian states and 8 union territories and more than 15 foreign countries have participated, it seems. So you can see that how like it is going to be good competition in between you. So let's see this WIT cutoff. So for WIT University for Vellore, we are going to check. I know that you will get a doubt, like why are you showing this 2016 to 2015 cutoffs and everything? Like, because guys, they did not announce any cutoff marks after that. This is the last cutoff we have from that university. They are saying that they may announce this new cutoff for 2021. If they do so, I am going to update you guys. Don't worry at all. Let's just keep this cutoffs as our reference so that we can at least have an idea, right? I don't think so they are going to announce any cutoff for this 2021. If so, I'll be helping you. Okay guys, for computer science, 7,000 to 15,000. Closing rank is 7,000. For informative technology, for IT it's 12,000. Computer science and engineering it's 13,500. Biomedical engineering is 45,000. Biotechnology is 20,000. Civil engineering is 35,000. ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering, is 14,500. EEE, Electronics and Electrical and Electronics Engineering, is 15,500. Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering is 18,500. Mechanical is 19,500. Mechanical specialization in automotive engineering is 12,300. Now I am going to tell about the specializations. Like in mechanical, what are the specializations and what are the closing ranks. Okay, so energy engineering is 20,000 and production and industrial engineering is 50,000. Chemical engineering is 19,500. ECE. Now let's see the ECE specialization. ECE specialization, Internet of Things and Sensor, is 14,800. Computer Science Engineering specialization in Information Security is 7,500. Okay guys, now let's see about the cutoff of WIT University Chennai. Okay, so for civil engineering it is 40,000. Computer Science and Engineering is 14,000. Electronics ECE is 25,000. Electrical EEE is 28,000. Mechanical is 32,000. Fashion Technology is 55,000. In Electronics and Computer Engineering is 42,000 guys. So this is the cutoff, I mean closing rank. I am just telling about the 2016, and 2021 is also going to be like no much difference. It will be mostly same because they stopped showing their cutoff, like they stopped releasing their cutoff. So we only have this as a choice. So candidates may find the institute wise BTech courses offered. Okay, let's see that what is Vellore Institute. Vellore Institute is providing us like what are the courses. So it's giving us biotechnology, chemical, computer science and engineering with specialization in bioinformatics, computer science and computer science and engineering with specialization in information security, computer science and engineering with specialization in data science, computer science and engineering with specialization in Internet of Things, computer science and engineering with specialization in blockchain technology, electronics and communication with specialization in biomedical engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, information technology, mechanical with specialization in automotive engineering, production and industrial engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, computer science and engineering with business systems, electrical and electronics, EEE, ECE, mechanical engineering. So these are the courses offered by WIT Vellore. Now let's check about Chennai. So computer science and engineering with specialization in cyber physical systems, CSC with specialization in artificial intelligence and robotics, ECE, fashion technology, mechatronics and automation, mechanical engineering, electronics and like ECE, EEE, CSC with AI and machine learning, Mali CSC and civil engineering. So what WIT Andhra Pradesh is going to give us is CSC with data analytics, CSC with network and security, CSC with artificial intelligence, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, ECE, and CSC with business system, CSC with robotics, ECE with embedded system, ECE with VLSI. Okay guys, these are given by the Andhra Pradesh University. Now let's check about the Bhopal. Like what are the courses? So what are the courses offered by each and every college is also important, because this is the most asked question for me, because like in this college are they going to provide us the particular branch or not? Like do we have this branch? Because we are getting only one choice to fill. We don't even know that whether the choice has been like is there or not. That is why I'm going to explain. I'm explaining now like what are the branches that you have in colleges. So with Bhopal is aerospace engineering, bioengineering, computer science and engineering with specialization in gaming technology, and CSC with cyber security and digital forensics, CSC so specialization in health informatics, ECE with artificial intelligence and cybernetics, CSC with specialization in AI and machine learning, CSC, ECE, EEE, mechanical engineering, as you have in every branch. Guys, that's it for today. I think I have given you the cutoff ranks of each and every branch, and those cutoffs are same for each and every branch, like with Vellore, with Chennai, with AP, and with Bhopal. For all the branches it is same, and I have explained you your counseling dates, when your counseling dates are going to start for each and every rank, and who are eligible, and everything I have covered. I hope this is going to be the best and useful video for you. If so, they are going to release. From past few years, WIT has never ever released their cutoffs. So by considering, like, I have searched, I have googled, I have done lots and lots of search, but I was able to find out only 2016 ranks. So guys, what I say is, if they release, as soon as they release the cutoff, I am going to announce you. But mostly these cutoffs will be same, guys. If it is just like what I think is, just this is my guess, what I feel is, like, they stopped announcing, right? So I heard the news that they are just following almost near to the same cutoffs. They did not even change any kind of cutoffs and everything. That is why they're like not releasing the cutoffs. So don't worry at all. Like, I'm just giving this to, like, make sure that what branch you are going to get and what everything. Like, I just want you guys to be ready for your counseling sessions, and please post your doubts in my comment box so that I'll be replying you over there. Okay guys, that's it for today. Signing off. Thank you. Take care. Tata.